Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Shokz OpenRun Pro with the Beats Fit Pro and which one is actually better. Now when we can look here on some statistics, we can find the way the Beats Fit Pro is better comparing to Shokz OpenRun Pro. This is the first thing regards the weight. Driver technology, I would say it's a tie. Then frequency response is okay, tie. Then you have battery life, you're gonna have up to 6 hours with ANC, 24 hours with case. So in this regard, the OpenRun Pro is better, up to 10 hours. Then quick charge is also better for the Shokz OpenRun Pro, but also for the Beats Fit Pro is like okay. So there isn't that much difference, but it's like half an hour can do some things. Bluetooth version, okay, same thing. Tie. The noise cancelling is huge here. For the Beats Fit Pro, you are going to have noise cancelling. That's something that you don't have with the OpenRun Pro. Then when we can look here on the water resistance, it's better for the OpenRun Pro. Better water resistance. Both got voice assistant integration, and then you're gonna have possibly better features for the Beats Fit Pro. So to summarize this quickly, this video, weight is better for the Beats Fit Pro. Also, you're gonna have the active noise cancelling. You're gonna have better initial features, and that's like it. Now, on the other hand, with the OpenRun Pro, you have better battery life. Then you're gonna have better water resistance. Then also the quick charge. And you get like also different designs, so it really depends which one you want and need. I just wanted to make this quick video for you, so thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.